Let's review Totino's Pizza Rolls. I give Totino's Pizza Rolls a solid 9.6 out of 10. Go get yourself some Totino's Pizza Rolls because these things are absolutely amazing. If you're watching this on YouTube, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below other food reviews I should do. And if you're watching this on Instagram and TikTok, please be sure to like, comment, and follow. And let me know in the comment section down below other food reviews I should do. And I'll see you guys in the next food review.